Never had a license? Well, guess what? Secretary of State will suspend the license you never had if you're a bad enough driver. So that's what happened. Oh, some of these aren't even scheduled for today.
They're not.
Good. Smart. No, that's great. Saves you a trip back. So let's figure out what we're doing. Oh, license. All right, so here's what we got. We got a January 8th, drove while unlicensed or improper endorsement. We've got a disobeyed stop sign from May 8th. We got a drove while unlicensed or improper endorsement from May 8th. Then we've got another no proof of insurance from May 8th. So all those are going to be dismissed, and you're going to plead to one count of no valid operator's license on person, correct? All right. Did you read your rights form today? All right. Oh, I'm holding this up. You sure you didn't read this? Do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? I call them TV rights, right? If you watch enough TV cop shows. All right. And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person? Up to, which means 0 to, $500 fines plus court costs, and up to 90 days in jail. Possible penalties. You understand that? I'm not putting you in jail on this. So, but I have to explain to you the possible penalties. All right, you understand that? Understanding your rights and options and the possible penalty, are you pleading guilty to this added charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on January 8, 2026 in Huron Township? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Never had a license? Well, guess what? Secretary of State will suspend the license you never had if you're a bad enough driver. So that's what happened. So you got to get all this cleared up before you can even get a license back. Yep. All right. So you got all that? Okay. So I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss all that other stuff. And where are you working at?
Soy products.
Soy products?
American soy products.
Where's that at?
To the one here from Mississippi, man, but it's,
Okay.
it's right down from Gibson, man. It's
Okay.
clean.
Okay. Well, you know what? That doesn't surprise me. It's close to Ann Arbor. That's where they like their soy in Ann Arbor.
A place called Bros in New Boston.
I know that one. Okay. You're working both jobs. Okay. But that's not for bros. The thing on your head, that's not for bros. Yeah. So which one have you had the longest? All right. How long you been there? All right. Do you have other courts you're dealing with to straighten out license problems? Are you up here permanently now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you're going to get a Michigan license.
Yes, sir.
Have you started the process?
I got those tickets, man. They said I need a social security card. So I look at a social security card and I barely go trying to take the test, but you say I won't be able to get them, man. So I don't know what to do.
No. I'm not. No. You misunderstood me. What I'm saying is you don't have to have a license for Secretary of State to suspend your driving privileges.
Sir.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I haven't done it today. I've had a busy day and I haven't done it yet. So you're going to get the benefit of that. I'm going to order you on this file to pay $500 fines and costs and do 4 days on the court work program because the work program is an alternative to jail. How many days a week you're working at Bros?
For it's Sunday, Thursday.
You know what? I'm going to give you a really good gift. I'm not even going to make you do the time. The money or show me a valid license within 30 days. I'll pay you $500 to get your license. So you can pay me or I'll waive it if you get your license back. So what you need to do is get your butt to the Secretary of State as soon as possible. Find out what hoops you have to jump through to get your license. I'll even consider giving you more than 30 days if you come back and talk to me and show me what's got to be done and where you're at in the process. I'm not making a promise. but I'll consider it. I'll consider it. All right. So on this file, it's 500 or a valid license within 30. You got that? Welcome to Michigan.
They don't pay, man. Like, on the highways, man, guys, they don't pay, man.
Now, see, you say that, and I think we play too much because I watch the way people drive on highways. Nobody follows any rules anymore. Any questions? All right, good luck. Good luck. Don't be afraid to come back and ask for time. You're welcome. Is it Mitchler? Talk to him. Is that right, Mitchler? Muchler, that's an MU. All right. Good afternoon, sir. You are going forward today without benefit of an attorney, correct? All right, and you've talked to the prosecutor and we're doing some more time, June 22? Who's that with?
That's with us.
Okay, what time?
What kind of cases?
It's a technical requirement, so I'm assuming you discuss what has to be done to clear up.
9 a.m.
All right, how about 9 a.m. on that day, Mr. Muchler? All right, Heather's going to prepare a written notice for you. We'll give you that and get you on your way.
Thanks, all right, thank you.
What started as a routine traffic court session quickly turned into two important legal proceedings. First, the court addressed the case of Travis, who was facing several traffic-related violations, including driving without a valid license, disobeying a stop sign, and failing to provide proof of insurance. After negotiations, all of the original charges were dismissed in exchange for a plea to a single count of not having a valid operator's license in possession. The judge carefully explained the consequences, warning that the offense could still carry significant fines, court costs, and even possible jail time. More importantly, the defendant was reminded that resolving the underlying licensing issues with the Secretary of State was essential to avoid future legal trouble. Later, the court turned to the case of Mr. Mutler, which involved a technical compliance matter rather than a contested dispute. To ensure all required steps are completed properly, the judge scheduled a follow-up hearing and instructed court staff to provide written notice. While neither case involved dramatic courtroom confrontations, both highlighted how seemingly minor traffic and administrative violations can lead to serious legal consequences if left unresolved.